Alright, welcome to lecture 6. Today we are diving into one of the core building blocks of programming, operators and expressions. These are essential for making decisions, performing calculations, and writing powerful logic in your Python code. Yes, friend. So let's first start with arithmetic operators. These help us perform basic math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It returns float. Next, double slash. This is for floor division. It returns an integer. Next, this percent. This is often known as mod operator. It gives the remainder. And this double star, this is used for exponentiation. Let's take a look at an example. 5 plus 3, it returns 8. But 5 double slash 2, it returns 2. Why? It gives the floor division. And 5 mod 2, it returns 1. Why? When 5 is divided by 2, the remainder is 1. Alright? Now let's talk about comparison operators. These are used to compare values and return either true or false. So we have equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. So let's take a look at few examples. 5 equals 5, it's always true. 10 not equals 7. Yes, it's true. But is 10 equals 7? No, it's false, right? So 8, is it greater than 4? Yes, it's true, right? Next, 3 less than equal to 2? No, so it's false. So these are really very useful for writing conditions in if statements, which we will explore more soon. Yes, friend. Next, logical operators. Logical operators combine multiple conditions together. We have and, or, not. And returns true only if both conditions are true, or returns true if at least one condition is true. And not, it reverses the result. Let's take a look at an example here. A equals 5, B equals 10. Let's print A less than B and B less than 20. Is it true? Let's see. Yes, 5 is always less than 10, right? And 10 less than 20. So it will give the result true. So see here both comparisons are true. So the overall expression is true. Let's put it all together in a practical example. A equals 10, B equals 5. Let's create a variable result equals A plus B greater than 10 and A not equals B. So what do you think? What will be its result? A plus B is 15, right? And 15 greater than 10. Yes, it is true. And A not equals B is also true. So true and true results in true. So our result is true. Yes. This kind of expression is common in decision making, like checking if someone qualifies for a discount or access permission. To wrap up, operators help us perform calculations, compare values, and build complex logic. Practice combining them to really build your confidence. In the next module, we will check at control structures, which allow us to run code conditionally and repeatedly. See you there.